of the original Juicy Fields operators. They accuse him of running off with all the money, hinting that he is evading taxes in the Bahamas, and calling for him to stop his disgusting behavior. They are annoyed, especially their men in black hoodies. Further leaked documents reveal that the main Juicy Fields account has been opened by one of the accused Germans, meaning that the accused would have had access to all the money and could indeed have taken it. It genuinely seems as though Juicy Fields has fallen victim to a criminal German pseudo-noble clan, but the so-called nobles fight back. They claim they never had access to the main account, saying it has been opened with a forged passport and a fake signature. They publish documents revealing who they claim are the true faces behind Juicy Fields. According to them, the actual operators of the website and the real organization are 4 men of Russian descent, listed as owners of the German Juicy Grow GmbH. They even published the passports of 3 of these men. A German-born Russian named Victor Bittner is listed as the director.
Straight dropping names out here. Shout out to them. Public records like a motherfucker.
Primary shareholder and supposed mastermind
That's exactly what
behind
that
the
means.
entire project was a Russian man named Paul
You do some
Bergholz.
crazy shit, your name is now
Alongside
public
the German
records.
GmbH and the Swiss AG, there are at least 6 more companies connected to Juicy Fields across
Does it
Europe.
matter?
The
Maybe.
website's legal notice, the impressum, is changed almost
Maybe.
daily from then on, and no one knows who is behind it. A newly appointed CEO from South Africa makes a public statement, but no one is sure if this person even exists. Martin and Becker try to contact former CEO Alan Glantz, but he never picks up the phone or writes back after Juicy Fields collapses, leaving them with no choice but to focus on the only man left at Juicy Fields. Victor Bittner, the original director of Juicy Fields when the company first starts out in Berlin, the only man who appears on all the company records. But for them, he remains a mystery, a phantom. They try to get in touch with him, but it's all in vain. No answer, no lead, no clue.
Oh yeah,
So they
they
decide to
have
simply
some
visit his last
plays
known
behind the
address,
scenes.
as they know Bittner's last
And
location
then whenever
through
you
the
get to
documents leaked by the nobles. It's in a
the
working-class
debrief on
neighborhood
it,
in
thing, you
Berlin.
like, well,
Winter
damn.
has settled in with an icy chill. The streets are decorated for Christmas, with festive lights and pine trees adding a touch of warmth to the gray concrete buildings. As they get closer to Bittner's apartment building, they suddenly realize how nervous they are. Confronting a criminal is complicated, and now that they're there, knocking on Bittner's door unannounced feels like a stupid idea. Next to the entrance of the apartment block, there are rows and rows of letterboxes with name tags and buzzers. The door is open, so they step inside and look for any trace of Victor Bittner. They find nothing. No Bittner, no leads, and no information in connection of Juicy Fields. They have opened countless doors, but Victor Bittner still remain a phantom to them. Lots of names and clues, but nothing adding up, nothing making sense. But ultimately, someone is about to change everything. One day, while Martin and Becker are deep into their research on the Juicy Fields case, something unexpected happens. They receive an email. It is unsigned, with no name or ID, just an email address suggesting it's from someone named Anna. She claims to be Russian and says she has inside knowledge of Juicy Fields. Anna reveals that Juicy Fields is a scam orchestrated by Russians, and she is willing to share what she knows. But Martin and Becker keep wondering, how can they trust someone they have never met? They can't be sure that Anna is really the insider she claims to be. To find out if she's genuine, they need to meet her in person. Finally, after a long conversation, Anna signals that she is ready to meet them. But that is the last message they ever receive from her. After that, Anna seems to disappear. She stops answering, and their source is gone. They feel disappointed, but also worried. What has happened to Anna? Had she been caught? Is Anna still alive? Or is it all a hoax? But then, something really unexpected happens. In December, a so-called anti-crisis committee from Juicy Fields makes an appearance. Everyone wears masks as they continue blaming the new Juicy Fields faction, trying to raise hopes that lost money could be refunded. Much of it feels chaotic. One of the 6 masked participants attempts to smoke a joint through the slit in their mask, unsuccessfully. It's absolute chaos. But as would later become clear, this confusion is likely part of a meticulously planned farce. Behind all the strange characters and apparent amateurs, there is someone who knows exactly what they are doing. But then, the whistleblower strikes again. Out of the blue, they hear from Anna once more, but this time with a Swedish lawyer, and she reveals something unexpected. Anna tells them the truth. She's not who they thought. She is in fact a man, one of the very people behind it all, and his name is Anders. They still don't know if Anna is telling the truth or not, but now that they have found Anna, or Anders, they are determined